welcome to Creative Bath Lab. My name is Dora and thank you for joining me today. I am so excited to share this lotion recipe with you. This lotion is the perfect consistency, smells amazing, feels delightful, is non-greasy, and best of all, it tightens and smooths skin. The inspiration for this lotion comes from the very popular Bum Bum cream. They pronounce it Boom Boom, but anyways, I'm not even a lotion person, but I ordered it because of all the hype surrounding it, and I instantly fell in love with it. First, the scent is utterly euphoric. It's like a warm coconut scent. It drives me crazy. The cream goes on easy and is immediately absorbed into skin with no greasy feel. I was determined to replicate it, and I did. Even the scent. The scent recipe is at the end. A general guideline to making lotion is 75% distilled water or hydrosol, 10% emulsifying wax, and 15% oils and or butters. Chemconx is a blend of 2 emulsifying waxes that creates a thicker lotion base. Steric acid is a great co-emulsifying wax. For the recipe and substitutions, refer to the description. Isopropyl myristate can be used like a carrier oil. It's a non-greasy emolument that dramatically reduces greasiness. It has fast absorption, promotes a silky smooth feel, and creates a nice slip in lotions. It's also a thickening agent. Mineral Oil 70 is a super lightweight oil. Caffeine tightens and brightens skin, reduces wrinkles, and visibly smooths away cellulite. This is the star ingredient to this firming cream and is why I use powder plus liquid caffeine. Use a stick blender to mix and emulsify everything together. It starts to cool and thicken immediately. Last, add fragrance and a preservative. Make sure the lotion is cooler than 120 degrees Fahrenheit before adding the preservative. Subscribe now for more awesome tutorials like this and to show your support. The lotion is already thick, but it will thicken a bit more once it's fully cooled. I recommend a short 4-ounce jar for packaging. This is what it looks like once it's fully cooled. For a sun-kissed glow and a light golden shimmer, you can tint the cream with mica. Siso's Gold Mica is great for this. Put the desired amount of mica in and mix it well. It might be tough to see, but there is definitely a round, sun-kissed, and shimmering circle on my arm. I really thought these booty shorts were gonna show my problem areas, but surprisingly, they weren't hoochie enough. Just a heads up, you're about to see lower butt cheeks because I wanted to show you how well this stuff works on my problem areas, as I'm sure the lower butt and upper thigh is a problem for most of us ladies. The lotion doesn't get rid of cellulite, but it sure does make it a lot smoother. This is swimsuit season, so I'll take all the help I can get. I was gonna do this review in a bikini, and I'm so happy I did not. This was tough enough just posting it in boy shorts. I don't recommend purchasing all these just to make one bum bum scent. I'm pretty sure they make that scent already pre-made where you can buy it. But I wanted to share this recipe because I spent weeks formulating it, and it's pretty damn amazing and pretty much spot on. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed this cream, and I know you will too. You can find all the supplies, helpful tips, and the recipe in the description.